Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to show you some simple probability functions that you can use when you are analyzing data. The first function I want to show you is the built-in mean function in Matlab. So to call the mean function, all you have to do is type in mean, and then you can put your vector right inside here that you want to find the mean or the average of. In this case, we're going to use this array called probability, which stores 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I want to store the result in variable x. Now, you can also calculate the median. I'm going to store it in the variable y. And the median you call by typing median. And then again, we got to put the vector inside. So in this case, it's probability. And now our code is going to store the median value in the vector probability in the variable y. Now you can also store the mode value. You can do this by typing in mode and then putting, again, our vector inside. And now we are going to store the mode variable inside our variable z. Now you can also calculate the mode in Matlab. You can do this pretty easily. All you have to do is first type the variable you want to save the result in. In this case, I'm going to use z. And then you set it equal to mode, which is Matlab's built-in mode function. And then, just like we did for median and mean, you're going to add probability, which is our base vector that we are using, inside the parentheses. And now we are storing the mode of this data in Z. And if I click run, it's going to now display these results right down here. So the mean or average in this case is 3. The median, which is stored in y, is also 3, which makes sense because 3 is right in the middle of this data set. And the mode, in this case, we get 1. Now the reason we get the mode value to be the number 1 is because in this case, with the way that the data is being set up, the mode or most is by default the first value. And that is all for this video. See you in the next one.